Hi guys, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x in 10 raised to the power x plus x equals 30. But trust me, this is not a regular algebra question. So wait a minute. So before I even start, can you solve this and comment into your answer? All right, let's get it together. So we have solution. Let's say solution. We have 10 raised to the power x plus x equals 30, right? So from here we can just transfer this x to the other side. So we have 3 raised to the power x equals 30 minus x, right? So here let's divide both sides by 3 raised to the power x, and here by 3 raised to the power x. So this will become what? 1 equals 30 minus x divided by 3 raised to the power x. So which implies that we can rewrite this as 30 minus x divided by 3 raised to the power x equals 1. So here we can transform this to become 30 minus x, then multiply by 3 raised to the power minus x equals 1, right? So here I need to apply Lambert function. So Lambert function to be of the form Lambert function of x exponential x. And you know the Lambert function of this will be what? Will be x. So we must have the base here and the power the same, right? So that's what we are going to do here to obtain our x. So I must not make the base and the power the same, and to do that, so we must have this and this, right? So okay, so we have 30 minus x here, so we have minus x here already, so we must find way to get plus 30 here. So what do? So you multiply both sides by 3 raised to the power 30, multiply both sides by 3 raised to the power 30, and if you do, we are going to have 30 minus x multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus x, then multiply it by what? 3 raised to the power 30 equals 1 times 3 raised to the power 30, right? So we have 30 minus x multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus x plus 30. From the law of indices, when number with two copies have been multiplied, their powers are added. So equals 3 raised to the power 30. You got it? So we have 30 minus x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 30 minus x equals 3 raised to the power 30. So you observe that we have the base and the power the same now, but we must know something here, that we can have 30 minus x. This 30 can further be expressed as exponential limb 3, right? So because this exponential we can do this lane, so and it raised to power what? 30 minus x, so which is equals 3 raised to power 30, right? But don't forget that we want to make the base and the power the same, right? So we must multiply both sides by length 3, because this one already has length 3, right? So this one too must have length 3. Multiply both sides by length 3, right? So we have length 3 here multiplied by 30 minus x, then exponential length 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals length 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 30, right? It's now easy for us to take the Lambert function of both sides now. Taking Lambert function on both sides. So we are going to have the Lambert function of length 3 multiplied by 30 minus x exponential length 3 30 minus x, right? So this equals the Lambert function of length 3 then multiplied by 3 raised to the power 30, right? But they recall that I said whenever we have Lambert function of x with exponential x, this is equals to x. So we have this will become length 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals the Lambert function of this 3 raised to the power 30. We can express this as 3 raised to the power 27 plus 3. Then we have length 3 here, right? So we have length 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals the Lambert function of, we have 3 raised to the power 27 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3 length 3, right? So we have length 3 multiplied by 30 minus x equals the Lambert function of this. We will have, let's say we have 3 raised to the power 3 here, so just image of arrangement, so then multiply by 3 raised to the power 27, right? So here we have length 3, we have 30 minus x equals, we have the Lambert function of this, we have 27 then 3, right? So and the 3 here we can have it to be exponential length 3, so then it is to the power 27, right? So we have length 3, we have 30 minus x equals the Lambert function of, we have 27 length 3, right? So then we have exponential 27 length 3. So also you observe that this and this are equal, right? So we are almost near. So we have length 3 times 30 minus x equals, so also since this and this are the same, so we have 27 length 3. So what can we do now? So we divide both sides by length 3 length 3. So this will cancel this cancel this, so we have 30 minus x equals 27. So if 30 minus x equals 27, so then what will be your x? So kindly comment your answer. Thank you for watching. My great fan, you can also send super to support this channel. It's helped me to create more content in love. I say every super thanks and make sure to give it a shout out in our next video. Don't forget to comment your answer for the value of x and kindly share, like. See you in my next video. Bye.